Good day, guys, and welcome to your most preferred YouTube channel, a platform where we share information about what's going on in the Nigerian political system and entertainment industry. I am Grace. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing fine. As for us over here, we are absolutely fine. Okay, moving on to our first update, guys. It is only 19 days left for the Supreme Court to pass verdict on Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi's appeal in the court. So, by the force of law as contained in Section 285, subsection 7 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, an appeal from the decision of the Election Tribunal or Court of Appeal shall be heard and determined within 60 days from the date of delivery of judgment at the Tribunal Court of Appeal. Therefore, with this, the Supreme Court must deliver judgment on Atiku and Peter Obi appeal against the judgment of the Samani-led Presidential Tribunal on or before Sunday, the 5th of November 2023, which is 19 days from today. Okay, so at the moment, all processes per filing and responses to replies and have been completed. So the seven-man team to hear the appeal must be unveiled this week. Okay, so if the justice of the Supreme Court upholds the Constitution of Nigeria firmly, Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu Adekunle Amoda Sangodele will be disqualified and a new president of Nigeria will emerge in 19 days to remedy the image of Nigeria and rebuild our economy. Okay, guys, it's only 19 days left, so let's brace up and get ready, tighten our seatbelts to hear what the Supreme Court has to say in regards to the appeal filed by Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi in the Supreme Court. Okay, so I hope the Supreme Court just understands their powers and make sure that they apply it with force to remedy the battered image of the judicial institution. Okay, moving on. Before I move on to my second update, guys, feel free to comment down below what's your opinion about the Supreme Court's verdict. I mean, what do you think? The Supreme Court, would they uphold the Constitution, or you think they will go based on technicalities? Okay, feel free, comment down in the comment section. All right, moving on to our second update. Okay, so still in relations to Bola Ahmed Tinubu, guys, this is gonna shock you. I mean, according to a verified source at PDOM Nigeria, Tinubu has come under heavy backlash from Nigerians over leaked documents showing that he signed whooping sum of 422,820,000. Guys, this is crazy. For his 7 days hotel reservations in the New York during the just concluded United Nations General Assembly held between September 18 and 22, 2023. I mean, the leaked document also shows that Bola Tinubu spent an additional 84,564,000 on incidents to cover meals, taxis, and other expenses. Guys, this is crazy. I mean, the total sum of Tinubu and his close aides expenses amounts to over 507,384,000. This does not even include the total expenses that other government ministries, state governors and MDA heads and all of that incur under the provisions of their respective state governments and ministries. Guys, these people should just disappear, because these people ask Nigerians to tighten their seatbelts, to sacrifice and be patient, that the country is broke. Guys, I said the country is broke. How is the country broke with all this money that Bola Tinubu is spending with his close aides, even the governors of the states? How is the country broke? But see them embezzling and lavishing the very money that they claim that we don't have. Are they coming to be in the president? Is Bola Ahmed actually coming to be a president to embezzle funds? It's quite obvious the criminal, but he said we should be patient. That Nigeria is broke. Is this the broke country that we are in? So where did they see the over 500 and something million to spend? Nigeria's money, guys. This is Nigeria's money. And we are spending it on themselves. Okay. So guys, we are not broke as a nation. I want you all to know that. We all agree with me that we are not broke as a nation. It's just bad leadership that keeps us this way. It's all these criminals that go out to embezzle our funds. There's money in this country. There is money in this country. We are not broke. And that is the truth. These people attend all these positions to make sure that they enrich themselves, enrich their bank accounts, and make Nigerians to suffer. Guys, it's high time we send these people out. The voice of the nation must be heard on our behalf. How can Tinubu be spending such amount of money in a 7 days reservation in the United Nations General Assembly, spending this huge sum of money, Nigeria's money, in this I heard that there's a government house that the taxpayers have been maintaining for him in New York to be when he travels over there. But why didn't he stay in that house, in that mansion that they have been maintaining for him? Why did he have to spend all that amount of money? You can see evidences on the screen that he paid for a 7 days reservation for him and his close aides. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. Well, while we await the Supreme Court judgments, let's just keep protesting and raising our voice to say that Tinubu must go, because the loans he has incurred in just how many days or what month of his administration in Nigeria as president, it is too much. Nigeria will crumble. Nigeria is going to crumble, guys. Nigeria will crumble and we will incur so much debt that we will not be able to recover from. And that is the truth. So it's high time we stand up and say that this must not work. This president must be disqualified. That's if only the Supreme Court will stand, because the evidences are clear. The evidences are clear, guys. They are so clear that Tinubu is a criminal. He's a certificate forger. He's identity thief. He has different dates of birth. He is a drug kingpin. He has so many criminal records. And this is not good for Nigeria's reputation as a whole, because Nigeria is falling down. Nigeria will crumble, guys. Okay, moving on to our third update. Still speaking of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now he has gone ahead to level serious allegations of identity fraud and forgery against his primary opponent Atiku Abubakar. Okay, in an attempt to punch holes in the PDP candidate appeal to have him disqualified at the Supreme Court. Okay, so Mr. Tinubu's counter affidavit filed at the Apex Court on October 12th actually accused Mr. Atiku Abubakar of submitting fake credentials to Nigeria's Electoral Commission, INEC. Okay, in that he bore Atiku Kojoli, not not Atiku Abubakar actually. He bore Atiku Kojoli on his primary school certificate and Siddiq Abubakar on his 1965 West African certificate. That should be WAEC, guys. So this is filed appeal against Atiku Abubakar on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Guys, what do you think about this? Or is that necessary? The evidences are quite clear that, and it is done and dusted. Like the evidences are sealed concerning Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So why is he now trying to shift our attention from the point of focus to another point of that we are not even looking at? Okay, maybe he feels that, okay, I know I am a criminal, but you, Atiku, you're a criminal also, so we need to fall together with this. Well, that's not what we are looking for right now. Okay, we all need a good president that will be able to lead this country well and to raise up our economy, and not to bring down and crumble Nigeria totally. That's not what we need, guys. This is not what we need. It's not what we need, guys. We need a good president. So if Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we all know, is not qualified by the law, by the Nigerian constitution, he needs to go. I don't know about Atiku. Atiku's case will be sorted out much later. But if not for Atiku Abubakar, we wouldn't have known all this. Though they were actually being covered up over time, but we wouldn't have known all. Atiku took a brave heart to bring out all these evidences that are undeniable by Nigerians and even the Supreme Court. These evidences are undeniable. So let's just hope that the Supreme Court will judge based on facts presented and not on technicalities. Feel free to put your opinions in the comment section. I'll be there to read. Okay, that's my time, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you're just joining us for the first time, you're just watching this video for the first time, feel free to like, share, and comment down below. Also, subscribe and click on the notification bell in case we have new videos. You'll be notified. Thank you so much, guys, and bye for now.